Hello guys, I am Suvalakshmi.
I am Giyo Varghese.
I am Mohammed Shamil.
And I am Arun Mohan.
In our project, the wireless station project has two units. One is the indoor unit and another is the outdoor unit. Here, the indoor unit is RX, which receives the data being transmitted from the outdoor unit. It also reads the indoor temperature and humidity by DHT22 sensor and provides its output. The outdoor unit is the TX, which is the transmitting unit that collects the data from DHT22 sensor and transmits using NRF24L01 module. The main communication part of the project is the NRF24L01 module, which is a transceiver that transmits and receives the data being collected.
As we come to coding part, as said, there are two parts, indoor and outdoor. In both, we included NRF24, DHT libraries, etc. and also added the required initializations and commands. The output is provided in indoor unit and is displayed through serial monitor. We added a low power library in outdoor unit which puts the Arduino in sleep mode for a particular intervals, which is actually a power saving option.
So after uploading codes and selecting port, we can see in the serial monitor that both outdoor and indoor units are working fine. For testing, first we bought cold bottle of water near to the outdoor unit. Here we can see that the temperature is dropping gradually. On humidifying, the temperature gradually rises from 29 degrees Celsius. Also, the humidity level rises rapidly.